everyone, today I'm doing the review of the Victorinox Alliance quartz version. So here's the standard Victorinox box. Some papers, the tag, the card, which is not signed, the manual for like older watches, maybe I don't even have the right manual because it's not a chronograph. So anyways, here's the box. Okay, embossed logo. And then the watch. So the watch itself is a cross between a field watch or explorer watch, like 3, 6, 9 type of dial, and a dress watch. So it's really it's all polished. The case itself is all polished, and the bezel too. Sign crown. Very nice bracelet, which is a mix between brush and some eye polish sections. Solid and links. Of course, water resistance 100 meters. It's a quartz movement. It's a ETA Swiss quartz movement with the sapphire crystal on the front. Applied indexes. The date at 6 o'clock. Military time. Here it is on the wrist. It's not that big, but it still wears pretty large due to the lugs. So it's really a nice dressy field watch, if we could say. With a pretty nice bracelet, butterfly deployant. You see, it's not new. I've bought it a couple of months ago. But very nice quality. Like the links themselves are super solid. And for the price, Victorinox is always a great offering at those prices. So there's a automatic movement version of that watch, which is the Alliance mechanical. There's like a small difference in the dial. I think it's like the military time markers that are like embossed, so less visible, and like the second hand is red. I'm not sure if it's thicker though, because the other one uses a standard like ETA 2824. that one is pretty slim due to the quartz movement. So that's it. Thank you.